Jamming song, and I like that. How is everybody doing? It is Tuesday night, and we are in day number 479 of the Land Tamer stream and journey towards that CCIE number. So, hope you're doing well this Tuesday. I got my streaming act together tonight. It's all, I'm not so amateur tonight. Camera's good. We're all set. So, anyway, yeah, BGP AS-number manipulations we're going to talk about just briefly. 48 days to go until that CCIE exam. And so it's getting ever closer. Yeah, BGP AS-number madness. So I'm in the midst of doing right now CA20, which is tough. There's a lot of BGP meat. There is a lot of BGP meat in this particular lab. This course being the Cisco Expert Level Training Configuration Lab number 20. I think I have 25. So as you can see, I'm getting well along. I think I started out at 10 though, so we're more, about 2/3 of the way through those. And after this, I'll do TA20, and I think that is the last regular troubleshooting exam that I have. In fact, let's just pull up the tracker here. I have a little tracker on like how many weekends are left and what labs are left to do. Will I have enough time to do them, etc. I'll wait while this pulls up. And just do a quick status review. This is good for me to do. So just looking through, I haven't really. I'm mostly on schedule. I'm a little bit behind. I should be right here on CA21. Yeah. See, this is the last of the TA labs. Then the troubleshooting I have left to kind of play with is these troubleshooting labs from INE, and then the full scale labs. So, yeah, and I've got this. The good thing is we got a 3-day weekend coming up here in the U.S. We got Monday off, and then 8th of September we got that weekend, this weekend, 22nd, 29th, and then October 6th. Okay, what do I got going on down here? Oh yeah, these are full scale mock labs. That's why I have these kind of spread out. But coming up soon. Before I kind of break up, well, I've got about 2 weekends left of just normal sort of labs out of the Cisco Expert Labs workbook. Then I start the full scale, big labs. We've got Diag Assessment Lab, Performance Assessment Lab 12, which is not a big one. The Diag is not a big one. I think it's only 30 minutes. But then you got the Performance Assessment Lab 12. And I'm going to try to treat that like a regular lab. In other words, I'm going to sit down and for about 8.5 hours, whatever, and try to see how I do. That is a graded lab. I will get an assessment report from Cisco. So I've got 12 and 13 for those. I have this all the way, well, 12 I've got coming up at the, middle of September. So in other words, about 2 weeks from now. That's going to be a big milestone. And then I have 3 full-scale labs from INE, and then 2 mock labs from INE. So I may change these around a little bit. I'm not sure. I have not decided. I may do a full-scale lab for INE here one of these weekends. In fact, I may do that this weekend just to get into the spirit of the full labs and get into the practice of, the timing and everything else. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, that's where I'm at, folks. And that's about all I've got. I'm working on CA20 again. BGP AS-number madness, what I'm referring to there is the fact that you can manipulate to where you're sending, or you'll accept, let's say your router BGP 200, and you have 2 neighbors that are in AS 100. You could tell one neighbor that you're 200. You could tell the other neighbor that you are AS 300. And then you could, completely manipulating the AS path on the way out and for updates on the way in. And peerings, inbound peerings. just remembering how to do all that and meet the requirements is a challenge. It's tough. So that's what I'm working on. Hopefully finishing up BGP tonight, getting on to like IPv6, portion of CA20, getting on to security, infrastructure services, and of course, multicast, things like that. So that's all I've got tonight, folks. Thanks for hanging out. If all goes well, we should be back tomorrow night here, same time, same place, 7 p.m. Eastern, here in the Land Tamer stream. You know, getting ready for that big exam coming up in 48 days. That is less than 50, so we're coming on it fast. So thanks so much for everyone's support. You can hang out with us in the Discord also. You got any questions or complaints or yearnings or musings, let us know. We'll see you there. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow night. Thanks so much for hanging out here in the Land Tamer stream. Good bits to all. Good night.